Kippa had a wobbly tooth. Mom wanted to pull it out. No, said Kippa. Dad wanted to pull it out. No, said Kippa. They were on the swing. Kippa pushed her. Oh no! The swing hit Kippa. The tooth was gone. Kippa had swallowed it. Kippa was upset. No tooth, no money. Sorry, said Bev and Chip. Never mind, said Mom. Never mind, said Dad. I'm not sad, said Kippa.
Hello.